Hey guys, we're doing a vlog right now.
Let me take the music off.
Huh?
No, the music. So
Oh yeah?
we're more like in nature.
Awesome, sick, Loki. But, so right now we're here through the woods, or a forest or whatever, and we're doing like a little video shoot, for fun. And it's really, really hot outside, and we're getting bit by mosquitoes like crazy.
Huge mosquito.
Yeah, I'm really itchy.
It looked like a fly, that's how big it was.
I don't even know if I'm like getting the right angle, but yeah, right. And then there's the really long bridge. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Do you want to say anything?
No, I'm running away from mosquitoes and doing the recording.
Yeah, his videography skills are great. What?
Don't bring dark clothes to the forest.
Oh yeah, he just taught me that to not wear black because mosquitoes love black apparently. But yeah, I have a cool outfit on. My shoes match my top, and it goes good with the forest, you know. He's just recording everything I say.
Yeah.
And I don't really know if I'm getting the angles right. I don't know how to use a GoPro.
It's pretty wide. It's like the same with
smartphone. Like a 0.5.
Yeah.
And I'm itching again. And there's really pretty cicada and bird sounds going on right now. I don't know how good the sound is on this.
Oh, it's pretty good.
There, you heard it.
I like a lot about the
You guys heard it. But yeah, we're gonna be on our way out soon, just because the mosquitoes are eating us alive.
Oh, yeah.
But I've had a lot of fun doing videos, even though I'm a really awkward person. Jonathan makes me feel less awkward, and he says that we can do it as many times as we want, which we've done it a few times already. But yeah, any last words?
We should put this on YouTube.
We should, or TikTok, or whatever.
Yeah.
But I gotta see how I look first. I look really sweaty though, because it's really hot outside, okay? Like we're both really sweaty, and we just look gross. But, you know, his video and picture quality is so good that you don't see it. But yeah, I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I know how to stop recording. Bye!